Hey loves, what is up? My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. If you are new, welcome. If you are an OG, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you guys get notified every time I post. So in my tutorials, it will be consisting of makeup tutorials, beauty, skincare, hair, and fun things like that. If you guys are interested in those type of things, then you guys are in the right place. So in today's tutorial, I will be reviewing the Glamlite cake palette, which it looks like this. So freaking pretty. Tell me this is not cute. Tell me this is not cute. This is gorgeous, beautiful. I'm obsessed with this palette. It comes with these shades, 20 shades for $40. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on this palette and see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first and foremost, I am wearing a shirt, okay? It is, and it has clear straps. So I am wearing a shirt. So I am so excited to show you guys this palette that I received from Glamlite. Their packaging, their palettes are gorgeous, you guys. And she's Giselle, she is the CEO of Glamlite. So she literally always comes up with these beautiful concepts to all her palettes, and I am just shook. Okay, so this is their cake palette. Like, how cute is this? It's an oven. You just open it up like this. It's so cute. And then there's your little cake. Okay, so I forgot to show you the back of the package. It's a little bit about the palette right here. It says the most delicious cake is fresh out the oven. Cute. Glamlite, the world's first fast food makeup brand, is now here to satisfy your sweet tooth with the tastiest desserts of them all. The cake palette contains 20 ultra pigmented and never before seen shades inspired by the most delectable cake flavors from around the world. Delight your sugar cravings with rich mouth-watering flavors. Oops, we meant shades. That's so cute. That's what it says. It has a little bit intro like about the palette right here and the shades. It is vegan and cruelty free. We love that. So this palette, you could feel the little sprinkles and the cake, the name cake, and yeah, it's cute. This is so cute. Nutrition facts right here in the back. This is so cute. So it opens up like this. Has a mirror. These are the beautiful shades, you guys. She also sent over her street taco palette, and it looks so cute. And you just open it up. It's like a to-go box, you know? So this is the palette. It looks super freaking cute. And it says, warning, do not eat in the back right here. It does have a mirror, which I'm super happy about. She is cute. I'm obsessed with this shade. This is guacamole. Look at this. How pretty, huh? Swatch red onion. That's that color. Okay, pigmentation. And then I'm gonna swatch pico de gallo. It's pretty. I love it. I'm gonna swatch limon. Wow, that's pigmented. I'm so excited to try out the street taco one, but today I'm gonna be using the cake palette. And yeah, I'm gonna be taking the shades raspberry, and then I'm gonna be using purple frost. That's that one. Taking cinnamon, and I'm gonna take guava. So these are the 4 shades that I'm gonna be using today. If you guys wanna see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors foundation again. It's just so good. I could check in my last video. So I wore it for like 8+ hours and it looked good. So I recommend it for sure. I want to get the concealer as well. I don't know why I didn't get the concealer. I'm going to get it though. So we're going to be generous this time because now I know it works good. So I'm going to do my own foundation. So as you can see, it is thick, but it does run a little bit, but it's not like super bad. I like it. So I like to use my hands first. I don't know why. I just want to get it in every section. So yeah, so I just put the rest on my forehead. I'm going to be taking my Elf sponge. I love it because it's so bouncy. Like, I love it. This is so bomb. Crazy right now, and I know I do. So adding another layer in my T-zone. It is super buildable for sure, and that's what I really enjoyed about this foundation, because you could actually build it and it doesn't feel like you have so much makeup on. I'm gonna go in with my OG favorite. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. It's my So you guys already know I take a good amount because I just love concealer. Cupid and chin. Know that's my favorite blush ever. I love a peachy blush, and I put it on the tops of my cheeks because I have more round cheeks. So I'll start at the top of my cheeks. So I'll start right here, and then gradually I'm just gonna put whatever's left right here, and then I put whatever's left on my nose. Pat McGrath Labs. And it looks like this. This is the packaging. Like this shade. This is the shade that I'm going to be taking. The brush that I'm taking is an M501 brush to highlight. And I'm just going to like start it right here just a little bit. Look at that. Alright my loves, so that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys loved it. I'm so obsessed with this palette, this whole concept, everything. It was just amazing. So I absolutely love this palette. I think this palette has beautiful shades. Yeah, I say yes, it's worth the money. The only thing I did have a problem with the purple right here, it's because I think the primer was still wet. So it turned dark a little bit, so I had to work with it again, like, you know, just add more primer and then the eyeshadow. But I ended up working these shimmer shades, you guys. They are amazing. I'm gonna show you another one. It's called the Banana. I can't wait to use this shade. It's like a gold color. Lavender, and I'm gonna show you Strawberry. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, Blue Raspberry. Cute. Look at that, you guys. Okay, so these shimmer shades are amazing. And then I'm gonna show you Key Lime, which is, whoa, that's hella bright. I'm gonna show you let me see, one that I didn't use, Peach. That's that one. I'm gonna show you Birthday Cake. It's only right. Damn, these shades are pigmented, you guys. The last shade I'm gonna show you is Blueberry. This one's a shimmer, but look how pretty, you guys. I totally recommend it. I can't wait to also use the Street Taco one. That one looks amazing. So I think it's worth it. I think it's worth it for $40. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching. All right, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notified every time I post. Again, I will be trying to shoot a video tutorial once a week, but for now that I have time, I'm gonna try to, you know, just bring out content. And yeah, again, let me know what looks you guys want to see and I will create it, or what palette you guys want me to check out. I've been seeing so much love. Thank you guys so freaking much. I really appreciate all your support, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. I love you guys. Bye.